In VIVERSE for Business, a member is anyone in your organization who has access to one of your organization's buildings. Depending on your role, you can use the Management Console to manage member roles and access permissions in different areas of your VIVERSE for Business environment. Here's how. Sign in to the Management Console and go to Organization under Members. The Organization screen shows all the members of your organization and their details, including their job title, role, and what buildings and spaces they're associated with. From here, account owners can search for organization members and assign them as new account owners or building owners. The Buildings screen shows the buildings in your organization that you're an owner of. Click on a building to view details about its members. From here, building owners can add organization members as building members or assign them as new owners of the building or any space the building contains. There are 3 ways to add members to a building. If you choose Add Manually, you'll need to enter each member's email address and job title. If you choose Select from Organization Members, you can select each member from a list. If you choose Add Members with CSV, you'll need to upload a CSV file that contains the information for each member you want to add. To make sure the CSV file you upload is processed correctly, download the CSV template and review the CSV template guidelines. You can also assign new owners to the building or any space it contains. The Persistent Spaces screen shows all the persistent spaces you're an owner of in one of your organization's buildings. Select a building in the upper right to view the persistent spaces it contains, then click on a space to view details about its members. From here, space owners can add building members to the space and assign them as new space owners. Now you're ready to use the Management Console to manage members of your organization and its buildings and spaces to optimize your VIVERSE for Business environment.